Upon arriving at this place, one encounters a single levitating structure, like a cloud over the serene landscape. However, the stone, notably heavy and typically anchored to the ground, carries the timelessness of something that has always been there. A colorful threshold inspired by the skirts of the cholas de Cuenca suggests an elevation into the world of dreams, a levitated material that still has mass but no longer gravity. The goal here was to create an impression not of lightness, but of levitated matter, of gravitational indifference. The Gravitational Indifference house, designed by Ruptura Morlaca Arquitectura, is located in Cuenca, Ecuador, within a serene, vast, tree-filled landscape where nature expresses its grandeur. This house was designed to integrate with the mountainous terrain, taking advantage of the natural slope. Its structure rises among the treetops, establishing a direct connection with the surrounding landscape. The internal circulation follows the topography, leading through platforms and gardens that blend seamlessly with the natural environment. At the end of the journey, a spacious flat area provides a unique experience, bringing residents closer to the treetops and offering a peaceful retreat away from daily life. The social areas are positioned to make the most of the views, the wind, and the morning shadows. The private spaces are located below, avoiding direct sunlight in the afternoon while retaining warmth for the cold nights. By not touching the ground and preserving the scale of the place, the design ensures that the structure appears minimal against the towering trees, eliminating verticality to avoid obstructing the horizon. The house seems to float above the terrain, respecting its surroundings while providing privacy for its residents.